Here we are at Lanivet Cemetery. I've not been here before. I've done the church, but I thought I'd come in here, and I found a few interesting ones, well, I say interesting, tragic ones straight away, which I'll get to in a minute. So I just want to do a decent video in here, and let's see what we got. Loads of unmarked deer. My daughter been able to pick them out as well. Yeah, I'll just take it to see. I mean, all this ground here has to be unmarked. You can see them. They were the poor people, I believe. You can see the humps plainly here. Look. These three here. Look. These are the unmarked, some unmarked ones, which is a shame, really. The tree, my daughter said, oh look, the tree, it's grown in the grave, but that was probably planted back in the same time as the grave was sort of put in, like some people used to. Let's have a look here. That is, yeah, died 1943, so I'd say that this tree's been here since then. Unless it dropped here as a seedling, and I think it's one of those evergreen oaks. There is a name for them, but I'm not sure. Right, the services guy here. A.J. Williams, Royal Air Force. Died March 1945, age 21. And Crocker. This is the Crocker family up through here. Again, we have unmarked here, which I'm going between, folks, not stepping on. You can see plainly obvious there that there's humps, and even over there, really, loads of unmarked deer. So we come to this one here, quite a sad, tragic accident. Cecil, beloved husband of Clara Crocker, who was accidentally killed at Coaldown Clayworks in 1930, aged 29. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of accidents around the quarries and clayworks around Cornwall. Again, unmarked. There's unmarked between there. You can see the slight mounds. Let's go between the mounds here. Susan Ann, wife of the late Philip Linden, died in 1919, aged 78 years. And unfortunately, folks, there's one down on its face there, which is a shame. The council should come along and sort of upright them, really, I always think. There's Robert, the beloved husband of Mabel Cock, died in 1915. Lovely, yeah, the lovely slate stones. William Henry, beloved husband of Elizabeth Thomas, died in 1915. Also Elizabeth, his wife, died in 1933, age 87. Oh, they lived to a nice long age. We have Mary Ann Marshall. Again, I'm watching where I'm stepping. Beloved wife of John Marshall, who died at Triningle, which is in Bodmin, in 1914, age 68. Also the above John Marshall, who died in 1919, age 75 years. It's interesting. There's some lovely stones here. Right, folks, I'm going to get over to the far end It's a lovely stone as well. But there's several here which I'm not happy about. The face down. It's an unusual one. A. von Rhein. German perhaps? Died 19th of January 1909, age 63. Von Rhein. Rhein or whatever. Yeah, I've got to be careful where I'm standing here because I don't really like standing on graves as such. There's a retallick here by the look of it. Yeah, it's quite a rough weather today, so you know. Right, Elizabeth Retallick died at Lanivet, which is where I am now. The wife of the late Thomas Retallick, who died at Delabole, May the 7th, 1889. See, Delabole's quite a long way from here. Who died at Lanivet, and Thomas died at Delabole. What was his age then? She was 77. I wonder if he died at the slate quarry. Thomas Retallick. That's Retallick. I don't know if I can read this one, folks. Hamley. Hambly. James Bray Hamley. Rebecca, wife of James Bray Hamley. She died in, looks like April the 19th. What's that? Is that 1809? Also James Bray Hamley. But I can't see no dates here. It's too far gone. It just needs to be also of husband of the above, James Bray Hamley. Again, lovely stones. We'll go through here. Here we have, in memory of John Key. John Key died January 26th, 1911, aged 78. Also Melinda, his wife, died in 1908. Also Emma, their daughter, she died in 1899, aged 32 years. That's Key. This looks like a Hamley too, but I can't be sure. It's difficult to read. Anne Maria, wife of Richard Hamley. Hamley this time. She died in 1911, aged 69 years. So that's Anne Hamley, Hamley. I'm taking photographs, folks, as well. I've got to be a bit careful here. I'm walking behind the graves, and then there's a lovely little one here. If I can, looks like Francis John, is that? Only loving child of Joseph and Mary Knight, Knight, who died at Lanivet. She was aged 1 year and 5 months, bless her. That's Knight, Knight. Lanivet. Oh, what a lovely little stone. Right, we'll go over into the corner here now. The familiar names are here again, folks. Here we've got Philip Lobb. Philip Lobb. Lobbs get around every cemetery by the look of it. They were quite a big family, I think, who died at Rose Hill in this parish in January 1891, aged 66 years. Also Alice, wife of the above, who died on October 1890, aged 64 years. That's Lobb. Let me know, folks, in the videos if you think I should make shorter videos, lots of them, rather, or longer ones. John Collins of this parish died in April 16th, 1891. Collins with a Collins. Also is Elizabeth, his wife. She died in 1898, aged 79 years. And John was 73 years, and he died in 1891, sorry. Gideon Hicks. What a nice name, Gideon. Gideon Hicks of this parish died in 1891, aged 81 years old. And also Philippa, his wife. She died in 1889, aged 75. I'll just do these bottom two, folks, and that'll be it for part one then. Here we have Anne, the beloved wife of George Ward, who died 24th of May 1890, aged 73. Also George Ward, who died on the 24th of October 1909, aged 90. That's Ward. This is a family grave here. I'll go around this side. Here we have in memory of John L. Ward, who was accidentally killed on the railway at Grogley, November 25th, 1887, aged 44 years old. You know, Grogley is just down from where I live, so I might even try to pick up on that story. Right, folks, I'm hoping to get through most of these today, so I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.